track and into the centre or something, because they're just straight ahead.
Yeah, you got
Yeah.
the track here that's turned to the left and go around and line that right over.
Okay, sweet. Thank you.
All right, thank you.
You have a good day.
If I'm calibrating wrong.
Well, it's 7.
I'm hungry. We're gonna see if this one is open. Doesn't look like. All the way there, though, there are food trailers. Oh, sorry. Let's go walk that way, no? That way? How are we gonna go that way then?
Pete will know.
What does Pete do here? Pete is the guy?
Pete is the driver.
Is in the what do you mean by he's gonna drive this car?
Yeah.
We're gonna go back to the racing track.
You can just use my phone.
But you would be far from me, no?
I'll just give you my phone.
Yeah, okay. Is that the racing track? No, that's the racing track. This one?
This is the pit.
What's the difference between a pit and a track? So here, all the race drivers, they are getting briefed about the do's and don'ts. I forgot to record. We went there and we couldn't get anything. So we are back over there. Those food trucks.
They're open now.
Gosh. So that's the track.
Oh yeah. We were the truck on cruise control at 95 is 101. So it was like 5k out, but the wrong way.
Not even enough room for my hat. Going on there for Jeff, it sounded almost like I left in top gear, like it's just lazy off the line. 9.3 half track and a 13.6 to 113.
And the same thing happened. We are on the other side of the track. That's where we were. Because we are hungry. Oh.
Up against
Oh my god.
Taylor with EFI and twin turbo. on the side of it going well. Operation, unofficially evaluation with control. The 502 GT power direction. Robert's drive bounce just went faster than further than he has. It was reasonably entertaining to watch. Sure not from Robert's point of view though.
This one. That's why I think.
The flange that holds it on is bent out. Yeah.
Oh yeah, it is.
Yeah, look at that.
As long as I probably feel it is.
Corey's got to get a handle on the wheel stands that the bike's trying to pull.
Lee Hart here. This week on Pay to Talk, we talk about last week's episode and get your feedback. Plus the property market way high.
Chris Nixon goes through with a 11.7 at 106.
Picking up now. The race is almost over. I think the bikes race is still going on.
Catch up with you.
The car owned the trailer again, and then we leave. That